Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about radiators and reversing fans. So a lot of our new tractors get ordered with reversing fans, and a lot of our new implements have them on there. But there are some units that come without, like this Weidemann loader behind us here. And it's just kind of to put a shameless plug in, but we are a CleanFix dealer and we do have access to reversing fans for all of our Weidemann units and pretty much any Fendt or Massey or Challenger unit that has been sold out there over the years. So if you have one of those machines that you're working away, say your loader tractor, and you're having to blow the radiator out quite often, maybe chat with Michael or Nolan, and they can probably hook you up with a reversible fan system so that, you can just hit a button and blow those radiators out, and then they don't need that major cleaning every day. You may still have to blow them out once a week or on a regular interval with your bigger air compressor, but your daily maintenance gets taken care of by the push of a button. So have a look. If you got questions, talk to Nolan or Michael. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.